Hello everyone, I'm Laila and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing a GoPro 9. Please join me. GoPro is an American technology company founded in 2002 by Nick Woodman. It manufactures action cameras and developed its own mobile apps and video editing software. The company eventually focused on the connected sports genre, developing its line of action cameras and later video editing software. And in October last year, GoPro released another exciting innovation, the GoPro HERO8 Black. This year, the ultimate action camera has got even better as they released the GoPro HERO9 Black. So, aside from a price difference of more or less 100 euros, there are new features that will excite the GoPro users. And here in the box, we can see a quick glance of its features. They say that GoPro is the world's most famous action camera because it is far lighter and smaller than a DSLR. First, we have the camera. It actually has more resolution to play with. GoPro HERO9 has almost double the sensor resolution of both HERO7 and HERO8 Black. It enables to capture up to 5K video and 20.2 megapixels in terms of photo. And it also has a new front display. Like the DJI Osmo Action, the HERO9 Black combines a touchscreen with a full-color front screen. Weighing just 4 ounces, GoPro HERO9 can easily fit into any pocket or traveling bag. It also has an improved battery life. HERO9 boosts its battery stamina by about 30%. Anyway, here are the list of GoPro HERO9 Black features that you should know. As you can see, the GoPro HERO9 Black is on idle mode right now, and we will put it to the test. GoPro, start recording. You see, you heard the beep, and that's it. It actually starts recording. GoPro, stop recording. You heard the beep again, and that's it. It actually stopped. Here are the list of voice commands that you can use with your GoPro HERO9 Black. So seriously, I'm just trying this GoPro. It's working really well. I'm also trying to check the audio. Say hi, Christina! Come! I'm with my friend Christina and we will be like trying if this is actually working or not. Okay? Come, Christina! You have to follow me.
We're not friends.
Follow me! Check it, Shakina! I think that's all for today. Please don't forget to like and share this video and comment as well. And please subscribe on this channel.